glad to be back here partnering again with Zoomlite to talk more in depth about packing cubes. As you can see here, I've got 4 different colours of packing cubes, and they all come in packs from large packing cubes right down to really small sizes. So I'm just going to go through a few of the features that I absolutely love, and then I'm going to show you how I use packing cubes in various different ways. But first of all, I do want to just show you how lightweight they are, but also incredibly strong. They all come with a really hard fastened handle, which makes it perfect. And the other thing I love is the double zip. So all of them have this double zip feature, and this makes it really easy then to compress your garments or your clothes into it, and allows all that air to escape because you've got the nylon mesh up the top here. And trust me, you can pack a lot more in a packing cube than you can if you were to just pop the items straight into a suitcase or a backpack. So how I use packing cubes is generally I assign colours for different reasons. So sometimes I might do different colours for different members of the family. If we're travelling to different destinations, but perhaps at different climates, I might pack all the warm climate stuff in blue and leave the rest in the black or the red or something like that. So then I know, don't touch those, don't even need to go there until you've changed destinations, which can be really, really helpful. You just open the suitcase, you grab which colour you need, and off you go. So let's see how we can use these packing cubes for different reasons.
Packing cubes. For small things, especially for keeping kids tidy, I like to pack all their games in one, but my technology and my bits and pieces like chargers and books in another. These shoe bags are fabulous. Pack several pairs of shoes in each one. Next, clothes. I like to be colour coordinated, and my little girl has nabbed these bright pink Zoomlite packing cubes. Perfect for all her dresses, shorts and t-shirts. Next up, my clothes. Choose whether you roll or fold. I do a bit of both, but everything stays neat and tidy. The choices are endless. Want to pack those fiddly little toys to take to a restaurant or on a train trip? Put them in a Zoomlite cube and they're just always at your fingertips. Clothes, and more clothes. Fold, roll, pack. It's just so easy. Everything is where it needs to be. Great for small garments too, like underwear.
So as you can see, the options with packing cubes are pretty much endless. I love them, I'm a huge fan of them. I don't think I could pack any other way now. You saw I could pack games for my kids, technology, shoes were all separate. Imagine pack a spare one for dirty clothes, you've got a wash bag. So another tip I love too is when I arrive at my hotel or destination, I generally take all the packing cubes out that we need and pop them straight in the drawer, and they're just like a drawer within a drawer. It just means that the suitcases go away, I can feel like I'm immediately unpacked and on holidays, and there's no more rustling through the suitcases. So I hope this has helped you think about how you can pack easily and more user-friendly when you're on holidays with your family. So thanks to Zoomlite Packing Cubes, I'm Brenda, our family travels, and I wish you all happy travels.